5 Best Electric Kettles. 0.5 liters Mini Electric Kettle, stainless steel. Material: plastic, stainless steel. Color: black. Voltage: 220 volts to 240 volts. Power: 1000 watts. Heating method: chassis heating. Capacity: 0.5 liters. Heating time: 3 minutes. 304 stainless steel materials, high security, high temperature resistant. 1.2 liters colorful 304 stainless steel electric kettle. Colorful design, fast heating, household. 304 stainless steel materials, high security, high temperature resistant. Automatic adage system. Automatic adage when water get boiled. Material: plastic, 304 stainless steel, food grade. Color: black, red, blue. Voltage: 220 volts to 240 volts. Stainless steel 12 volts electric kettle. Heating time: 25 minutes, 100 degree. No toxic, spill proof lip lock. Pour out water without twist the lid open. Heat up to boiling point, 100 degree, water. Always fill in water, before plug the 12 volts cigarette light plug on. Only use on a 12 volts power source, for the 12 volts model. Capacity: 750 milliliters. DMWD Portable Mini Electric Kettle, water thermal. Brand name: DMWD. Scale mark: none. Certifications: heating speed: 4-6 minutes. Model number: ZU160LS. Thermal: yes. Automatic shut off: no. Function: anti-dry. Protection time to market: August 13. Heating method: electric heating. Tube style thermal insulation electric kettle. 0.5 liters electric kettle, silicone, foldable. Foldable design, saving space, convenient to carry, perfect partner for your tour. Food grade silicone materials, high security, high temperature resistant, max temperature 230 degrees. Automatic adage system. Automatic adage when water get boiled. Button for opening cover on the handle, do not scald hand. Power: 680 watts. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.